Just the mosaic shelves I will explain in German, Italian, and Greek. And for those who don't want to hear me, you can put off the volume and read the subtitles. Ich werde nur die Mosaikmuscheln auf Deutsch erklären und sonst gibt's auch Untertitel. In italiano vi spiegherò solo come si fa le conchiglie di mosaico, il resto troverete sotto i sottotitoli. Στα θα σας εξηγήσω μόνο πώς κάνουν το μοσαϊκό με τα κοχύλια, αλλιώς μπορείτε να κοιτάξετε στους υποτίτλους. Those shelves, my mom found them between 30 and 40 years ago when I was a child and when I was very young in a very beautiful beach in Crete. Today you will not find them. It's full of tourists. Before nobody was there and you found so many. Well, it's a pity. I don't go there anymore because it's too full. I don't like too many people around me anyway. So the first thing that you have to do is wash well the shells. Das erste, wo ihr tun müsst, ist wasch gut die Muscheln. La prima cosa che dovrete fare è lavare bene le κοχύλια. Το πρώτο πράγμα που πρέπει να κάνετε είναι να πλύνετε καλά τα κοχύλια. So, how I speak so many languages? Okay, first of all, I was born in Switzerland, in Zurich. So at school we had to read and write in German. That's why I speak German. But my dad was from Sicily, from Italy. So I spoke with my dad Italian. And my mom is from Crete, so I speak Greek. I came here in 2018 just to take care of my mom because she's disabled and she was abandoned here. She came here just for holiday. So the rest of the story I will tell one day, but not now. It is not very nice, but doesn't matter. Let's go on. I speak well enough English, not perfect neither, because my husband is half English and half Irish. I don't consider myself a genius just because I speak so many languages. Actually, at school, I was not very good with languages, and I didn't went to art school. I just learned it for myself. I like to experience, and I started to do it when I was very young, also very depressed, and this helped me a lot to go on with life and to appreciate life. That's why I say to you, that's for me and a therapy. So now I have here already ready 4 mosaic with shelves, and now we do the cement. I have here some cement. This sand I have to mix with the cement together, okay? And I have here water until here, and then latex, 10% latex. You don't have to, okay? I put it only because I want that cement is stronger, so I put always a bit of latex. I will put not one by one with the shelves, okay? I will put a bit more cement than sand. And I will show you here the measurement for each piece. I don't know, so I will do some, and then if it's not enough, I will do some more, okay? So let's come closer so you can see what I'm doing. Ich tue auch 10% Latex im Zement, dass es härter ist. Auch die Qualität ist besser. Latex findet ihr auch, wo ihr das Zement kauft. Io metto nel cemento anche latex, così il cemento è più duro. Potete anche comprare lì dove comprate il cemento. Εγώ βάζω latex έτσι το τσιμέντο είναι πιο σκληρό. Και άμα δεν ξέρετε ποιο latex, πάτε να ρωτήσετε. Αυτοί ξέρουνε. It has to be really liquid enough, the cement, so it can really go everywhere. The cement muss genug, wie heißt das, liquid sein? Ich glaube das. Okay, liquid sein, damit es überall geht. Il cemento deve essere liquido, abbastanza liquido, così può andare dappertutto. To cimento pribinane poli areono miso tolene. Je napane padu, napaj padu, εντάξει. And in the end, I put a varnish. You ask varnish for outside, for stones. They will tell you what one. Und am Schluss tue ich einen Lack drauf. Speziell Lack für draußen. Fragt im Geschäft, die wissen was für eine. Für Steine, ok? E alla fine metto una vernice per fuori per i sassi, domandate quale nel negozio. Εδώ θα πάρετε ένα βερνίκι, για έξω για πέτρες. Πάτε στο μαγαζί και ρωτάτε, θα σας πούνε ποιο. So now that I finished with the shelf mosaic, I want to show you where I will place them. And it will be just temporary because I have to do the whole floor. And then when I do the whole floor, I know exactly, where to place them. I'm sorry. I know, I'm dyslexic, don't forget that. And sometimes I talk a bit strange and I don't do it on purpose. So, yes, and my language is anyway Swiss German. Yes, ich kann Schweizerdeutsch. Das ist meine Sprache eigentlich. Ich habe in der Schule Schweizerdeutsch gelernt. Und ja, und ich versuche jetzt das in andere Sprachen, weil es sind nicht so viele Schweizer, die meine Videos schauen. Yes, this was Swiss German. So, thank you first of all for watching, really. I really appreciate it. And I have to say, it touched my heart, okay? And sometimes I talk a bit slow because I have to think before I say something. And it's sometimes really difficult, I have to say that. So thank you so much, and I love you guys, really. So I leave you now, so I can show you where I'm placing this beautiful mosaic pieces with shelves and with stones.